In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a table on Notion. So this is actually quite confusing, and if we just get started, you can see here I have created some, and in order to delete it, and as if you made it as a database, it's not actually possible to delete it like that. You really have to delete here the full page. Also with this one, as you can see, you need to delete the full page. It's not you can't just delete the table itself. There is a workaround for this, but you're probably not happy with that. Um, Again, with this one also, I can only delete it. The only thing you can is by creating as a page, and then like this, we can basically add is right here, and then search for table. So you can also type it in. You can see table, and now if you want to delete it, you can just hit these dots and then hit delete. So you can only delete it if you use it like that. So this is probably not what you're looking for, but hopefully I can still save you some time by telling you that this is really bad made by Notion and it's actually not possible. The only way is I've shown you how to do it right now. If this video still helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.